That's kind of cool. Let's get underneath this one. I can go over this one. There's loads and loads and loads of bat poops in here. The bats definitely reside in here. So cool. Had the best day exploring today. Like I said, made a kind of a gnarly clip on TikTok. Cool little piece of steel ring or something. Yeah, seen loads of cool stuff. Like deer, a fox, some birds of prey, loads of old mining buildings, a toad. A little toad down here. Look at that. What else can I see? Not much. These old bits of steel. Thought I saw another toad then, but it's my eyes deceiving me. Well, time to get out. That's it.